Hello, explorers. My name's Bo, and I'm here to take you back in time to a land so rich and magnificent. It was called the Golden Bird. That's right, I'm talking about India. Centuries ago, India was overflowing with treasures, sparkling jewels, shimmering gold, and spices so rare they were worth their weight in, well, gold. Traders from far-off lands like Arabia and Europe sailed across dangerous oceans just to get a taste of India's riches. But not everyone came with good intentions. Invaders like the Mughals and the British saw India as a golden treasure chest, ripe for the taking. Bit by bit, they took control, and the Golden Bird lost its shine. India's story is one of resilience. Even after being plundered, its culture, spirit, and history still shine brighter than any treasure. So stay curious and subscribe to Grasshopper Explorers to uncover more tales with me, Bo.